Face masks are the foundation for good skin, especially if you have dry skin. So we've put together 4 of our favorite DIY masks to solve your dry skin woes. Japanese beauty regimes are based on a simple mantra. If you can't eat it, avoid putting it on your skin. One such power-packed nutrient that our skin needs is vitamin C. Take 3 tablespoons of orange juice and add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel to it. Mix well and apply it on your face. Orange juice is enriched with vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant for the skin that delays signs of aging, reduces hyperpigmentation, and prevents any damage caused due to the harmful UV rays of the sun. Aloe vera soothes sunburns and keeps the skin moisturized. Let the goodness of this mask soak into your skin for about 15 minutes and then wash off. Try this out and you won't be disappointed. After a long, stressful week, it's really important to pamper and rejuvenate your skin. Take half a tablespoon of kaolin powder and add 4 teaspoons of a face cream of your choice and add a little bit of water to it. Mix until you achieve a paste-like consistency and apply. Kaolin powder acts as a mild exfoliant and removes all the dirt and gunk that's accumulated on your skin. The face cream will keep your skin hydrated and boost back moisture into your skin. Wash off after 15 minutes and you'll be amazed at how your skin feels later. If your skin feels itchy and dry or you notice some pigmentation on your face, then here's an oatmeal mask that you should try out. All you need is 2 tablespoons of oats, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1/4 cup of milk. Mix well and then press your thumb to squeeze out all the liquid from the mix. Now take some on your fingers and start scrubbing your face and neck upwards in circular motions. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Dry skin often makes your skin wrinkle faster than it should. So here's a natural DIY face mask that should help you keep your skin firm, tight and soft. You will need 1/4 cup of carrot juice, 2 teaspoons of sour cream and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Mix and apply a thin layer on your face. Carrot juice is rich in vitamin A, which enhances your skin tone and reduces wrinkles and pigmentation. Lactic acid present in sour cream naturally removes dead cells and boosts cell regeneration. Cornstarch can help soothe irritated skin. Leave it on for about 10 minutes and rinse, and you'll be left with dreamy looking skin. So now that you know about these tricks to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized, you'll never have a bad skin day. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.